Hi boys and girls, we're going to do a quick review today for reading. We're going to go over our vocabulary words because remember on Thursday you will be getting tested on these as well as on the story Brave Bessie that you will be reading today. So really make sure when you read that story you get a good understanding of what it's talking about. Our first word is agree. Okay, if you agree with someone, that means you also think the same as them. Okay. Our next word is challenging. Sometimes multiple digit addition and subtraction can be challenging, meaning it can be hard. Our next word is discover, and discover means to find. What is something that you can discover in your backyard? The last word in that column is heroes. Heroes are people that do brave things, okay? Remember we said moms and dads can be heroes, firefighters. We might even think of Superman as a hero. Our next word is interest. If you have an interest in something, it means you might like to do that. Okay, you have an interest in it. The next word is perform. Perform is to be in front of a group of people and to do something, maybe sing or act or dance. I know Avery is in dance class and I know she does performances and she performs in front of people. If you are an athlete, you perform in front of people. The next word is study. Study means to look at things and review things that you've already learned so you can get better at that. And that kind of leads to our last words. You study so you can succeed. And succeed means to almost win. So if you succeed at something, it means that you've completed that task and you've done what you were supposed to do. Remember today's just kind of a review day. We've talked about the word summarizing, okay? So we read Cesar Chavez. And summarizing is using your own words to tell the most important events and details in a selection. This can help you remember new information in that selection. So let's see an example of summarizing, okay? They're talking about that beginning or that changing lives about Cesar Chavez, okay? They highlighted the parts and this is how they're going to summarize that part. Everybody say the word summarize for me. Nice job. So this is how they summarized it. They said it in their own words and they just picked the most important parts of that story. And this is what they said. I read that Cesar talked to other farm workers and they had a strike. When the owners promised better pay, the strike ended. So that was the main idea. And those were the most important parts that happened at the end when Cesar changed lives. That right here is what made Cesar a hero. They didn't copy word for word what was written in the story. They used their own words. So now I want your task right now is to stop the video because we're almost done. I want you to summarize to a stuffed animal, a pet, maybe even a bag of chips if you want. Summarize your favorite movie, okay? This shouldn't be very long. You're just going to tell the most important parts of the movie, okay? I want you to summarize that. Once you're finished, then, you're going to go on Wonders and you're going to read Brave Bessie. And then you're going to play some of the games on Wonders as well, okay? Remember, today's kind of a shorter day. And then tomorrow, I really want you to review those vocabulary words. And then tomorrow, you will be getting tested on them, okay? Keep up the great work, everyone.